In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Google Chrome not opening. Now, first thing you want to try is make sure that we close it completely. So come down here and search for Task Manager. In here, you want to go to Details, sort by the name, click anywhere and type C, and then look for Chrome. Now, as you can see, I have a ton of them opened. What you want to do is select each one and press End Task until all of them are gone. Now, once you've done that, you want to relaunch Chrome and see if it works. Now, another thing you can do is you can find your Google Chrome right here, search for it, right click, open file location. And from in here, what you want to do is right click on it, properties, compatibility, and activate these two. Press apply and OK and see if it works now. Now, if that still doesn't work, what we can do is put it through our firewall. So search down here, firewall, allow an app or feature. In here, you want to look for Google Chrome. Now, as you can see, I already have mine in here. And you want to make sure both of these are ticked. Private and public needs to be checked. If you cannot see Google Chrome in here, you want to press change settings, allow another app, press browse, and then you want to look for the Google Chrome. As I said before, what you can do is you can right click on Google Chrome, open file location, and up here you can click right here, Control C, come over here, click up here and Control V, press enter, and you'll come over here. Then simply choose Google Chrome, open, then add it. As you can see, I added it once again, so just enable it on both of these. Now, I already have it here, so I'm not gonna have two of those, but that's how you add it. Now, if this still doesn't work, what you can do is come down here and search for this PC, open up your C drive, then go to Program Files, Google, Chrome, Application, and find Chrome.exe. What you want to do is right click on it, rename, and give it Administrator. Change it to Chrome 1 or anything else. Rename it. Then what you want to do is right click, send to desktop, and it will now create a new shortcut. What you want to do is try and launch this shortcut and see if it works now. Now, those are the ways that you can do it. If it still doesn't work, what you can try is simply uninstall Chrome. So just go to Apps and Features, uninstall Google Chrome, and then reinstall it. Now, I really hope any of these helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.